So, what do I mean by that, or how are we going to use this? Well, what we're saying is that if b to the m is equal to b to the n, right? So they have the same base, then m has to equal n. So for example, if I had 2 to the third power and that equaled 2 to the x power, right? We would have to say that x equals 3 because those are the same thing. So we're going to use that to solve equations without our calculators. Okay, so let's start off here with number 1. We have 2 to the 3x minus 8 power equals 16. So as it is right now, they do not have the same base. I have 2 to this power and 16. However, we can take 16 and rewrite that as a power of 2. So I could have 2 to the 3x minus 8, and that would equal 2 to the fourth power, because 16 is 2 to the fourth power. Once we have that, because now they have matching bases, we just set the exponents equal to each other. So I would get 3x minus 8 equals 4. So 3x equals 12, and x equals 4. Okay, so we might have to rewrite something as a power in order to make this work. It's not always just going to be given to us as the same bases. Okay, so let's look at number 2. Same idea. I have 5 to the power of 3x minus 6 equals 125. Again, they do not have the same base, but we can write 125 as 5 to the third power. So now I have 5 to the 3x minus 6 equals 5 to the third. So again, we can take our exponents and set them equal to each other. So 3x equals 9, which means x equals 3.